Good morning. I'd like to invite you to the Chakra Yoga Workshop on Saturday at Spirit of the Lake Yoga. You can sign up on their website, spiritofthelakeyoga.com. This Saturday from 1 to 4, we're going to learn all about the anatomy of the chakra system, your anatomy, your chakra system. You have a power system in your bodies, in your subtle body, and it doesn't come with a manual. Well, it does come with a manual. You can learn all about it for your use to empower yourself and your life. We're going to look at the anatomy. What is your chakra system? How do you wake it up, harmonize it, make it work for you? If our chakra system is blocked or low energy in any area, certain areas will suffer in our life. So if there's something you want to transform, you're going to learn how to transform that. You can take these tools home with you, because I'll have some handouts, and do these practices whenever you need them. I practice working with my chakras every single day. My particular areas of focus are often on my heart chakra, because I like to feel a little happier. I often work with my solar plexus, and the solar plexus has to do with self-confidence. It takes something for me to sit here in front of a camera and videotape myself talking when there's no one else around. And to talk about something I'm really passionate about. So I'm going to focus just for a moment on that third chakra center. And you can practice along with me, because who doesn't need a little more self-confidence and feeling of empowerment to take on your day? So third chakra center is located at the solar plexus, and you can just simply sit and close your eyes, maybe even put your hands on your navel center, over your navel center, and breathe into that area. Imagine a brilliant yellow light shining inside your belly. Breathe into it, deep breaths into the belly. And there's a yoga posture that you can do. And we're going to do a series of yoga postures for each chakra in the workshop on Saturday. But right now we're going to do one yoga posture for the solar plexus, and that's a bridge pose. So bringing your feet hip width apart, knees bent, shoulders pressed into the floor, lift your hips, breathe into your navel center. And you can do that as long as you are feeling it. There are also affirmations associated with this chakra and archetypes. So the solar plexus archetypes are the servant, and that is if you're feeling unacknowledged and you're kind of in the background all the time, that's your third chakra center that you need to energize. The balanced third chakra, empowered third chakra, is the warrior, and it is the strongest archetype. This is where you can focus on bringing what you really care about out into the world. You're aligned with that, your own passions. And an affirmation: I value who I am. I value who I am. I am free to choose love, joy, and happiness for my life. Thank you for watching. And again, sign up for